How to use Google Drive. Using Google Drive is a straightforward process. Google Drive allows you to store, share, and access your files from anywhere with an internet connection. Here's a basic guide on how to use Google Drive. 1. Create a Google account *. If you don't already have a Google account, you need to create one. Visit the Google account creation page, https://accounts.google.com/signup, and follow the instructions. 2. Accessing Google Drive *. Once you have a Google account, go to Google Drive, https://drive.google.com, and sign in with your Google credentials. 3. Uploading files and folders *. Click on the plus new button on the left-hand side to upload files or folders. You can drag and drop files directly into the Drive interface or use the upload option. 4. Organizing files *. Create folders to organize your files. Right-click on an empty space and select folder to create a new one. You can drag and drop files into these folders. 5. Sharing files *. Right-click on a file or folder, select share, and enter the email addresses of the people you want to share with. You can choose whether they can view, comment, or edit the files. 6. Collaborating in real-time *. Google Drive allows real-time collaboration on Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, and Forms. Multiple users can work on a document simultaneously. 7. Syncing with desktop *. You can install the Google Drive application on your computer to sync files between your computer and the cloud. This allows you to access your files offline. 8. Accessing on mobile devices *. Download the Google Drive app from the App Store, iOS, or Google Play Store, Android, to access your files on mobile devices. 9. Searching for files *. Use the search bar to quickly locate files. Google Drive has powerful search capabilities based on file names and content. 10. Version history *. Google Drive keeps a version history of your files, allowing you to revert to previous versions if needed. 11. Settings and preferences *. Explore the settings menu to customize your Google Drive experience. You can adjust settings related to notifications, offline mode, and more. 12. Offline access *. Enable offline access to work on your files even without an internet connection. Changes made offline will sync when you reconnect. 13. Storage management *. Keep an eye on your storage usage. Google Drive provides a certain amount of free storage, and you can purchase more if needed. Remember that Google Drive is continually evolving, and new features may be added over time. Always check for updates and explore new functionalities as they become available.